Welcome back to the channel, or hi if you're new here. I'm Elise, and today we're going to be learning how to crochet these super cute and easy hearts. I love these as coasters, but they are super versatile and you can use them in so many different ways. This is a beginner-friendly project and I will be working through all of the stitches with you as we use them. And you can easily change the size of your hearts by changing the weight of your yarn or your hook size. Today I'm going to be using some worsted weight for acrylic yarn, a 5mm hook, and a pair of scissors. And we are ready to get started. Okay, to get started on our heart, the first thing we need to do is make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, we're going to wrap the yarn around two of our fingers and across, just like this. Then I'm going to pinch that yarn tail with my thumb, and taking my pointer finger on my right hand, I'm putting that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm just going to flip that second strand of yarn up and pull it tight. Let's do that one more time. I'm wrapping the yarn around two of my fingers and across, just like this. Then I'm going to pinch that yarn tail with my thumb, and taking my pointer finger, I'm putting that under the first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm just going to flip that second strand of yarn up and pull it tight to make my slip knot. So we can go ahead and put our hook into our slip knot and pull on that to tighten it up, and we can get started on our chain. To make a chain, all you have to do is yarn over and just pull that directly through that loop on your hook. Again, yarn over and pull that directly through that loop on your hook. And we're going to need 4 chains in total, so let's do that 2 more times. Just pull it directly through, and one more time, yarn over and pull it directly through that loop on your hook. So now that we have our 4 chains, we need to go ahead and make a slip stitch into this first chain that we made to form a little circle. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hook into that first chain, just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull that directly through that loop on my hook to make a slip stitch. Next, I'm going to go ahead and trim this yarn tail a little bit so it's not in my way. Okay, so you can see that we formed a little circle with our chain here. And for round 1, we're going to be placing all of our stitches into the center of that circle, just like that. We're going to start round 1 by making a single crochet into our circle here. To make a single crochet, we're going to put our hook into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that we have 2 loops on our hook. Then yarn over and pull through both of those loops to make the single crochet. Next, we're going to make a double crochet into our circle. To make a double crochet, we're going to yarn over, put our hook back into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and you've made your first double crochet. Next, we're going to place 3 triple crochets into our circle. To make a triple crochet, it's just like the double crochet, except we're going to yarn over twice, going back into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 4 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2, and you've made your first triple crochet. We're going to go ahead and make 2 more triple crochets. We want 3 in total. So let's make our next triple crochet. And our third triple crochet. Okay, next we need to make 4 more double crochets into our circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm just going to scoot my stitches back towards that single crochet that I made in the beginning as I work to make sure I have enough room for all of my stitches. Next, we're going to make the point of our heart by making another triple crochet. Okay, and you have officially finished half of your heart. Next, we're going to mirror this first side by making another 4 double crochets into our circle. Okay, next we are going to make 3 more triple crochets into our circle. Okay, let's make 1 more double crochet. And finally a single crochet. And then we're just going to make a slip stitch into that very first single crochet that we made right here. And you are all done with round 1. I'm going to go ahead and pull on this yarn tail at the back to go ahead and close this hole up. Okay, and we are ready to get started on round 2. This is what it should be looking like. To start on round 2, we're going to chain 1. And working directly into this next stitch right here, we're going to make a single crochet. And into that same stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, we're just going to yarn over, put our hook back into that same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops on the hook, and you've made your half double crochet. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches. So I'm working into this next stitch right here, and I'm making 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Just like that. And again, into this next stitch, I'm going to place 2 double crochets. Into the next stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet and a half double crochet. Just like that, I've got my double crochet and my half double crochet both into that same stitch. Okay, now I'm going to make 1 half double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and our next stitch here should be our triple crochet, which is the point of our heart. So into that next stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. Then we're going to chain 1 and make another double crochet into that same stitch. Just like that. And now we're ready to mirror this side of our heart over here on the other side. So let's make a half double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Then into the next stitch, we'll make a half double crochet and a double crochet, both into that same stitch. Next, just like we did on this side, we're going to place 2 double crochets each into the next 2 stitches. So I'm placing 2 double crochets both into this first stitch here, and 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Into the next stitch, I'm going to place a half double crochet and a single crochet. And finally, to finish off round 2, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the center right here. Just like that. And we're all done with round 2. This is what it should be looking like. And we're ready to get started on round 3. Okay, to get started on round 3, I'm going to chain 1. And then I'm going to be skipping over this stitch here. And into the following stitch, I'm going to place a single crochet and a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, I'm making a half double crochet and a double crochet. Then I'm going to place 2 double crochets into each of the next 4 stitches. Okay, into the next stitch, I'm making a double crochet and a half double crochet. There's the double crochet and the half double crochet into that same stitch. And now I'm going to make 1 half double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. So there's the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the 5th half double crochet. Okay, so now we've come back to the point of our heart right here, which is that chain 1 space. So into that chain 1 space, I'm going to make a double crochet, a triple crochet, and another double crochet. And there's the point of our heart. We're almost done. So I'm going to make 1 half double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. Into the next stitch, I'm making a half double crochet and a double crochet. And then I'm going to do just like we did on this side and make 2 double crochets into each of the next 4 stitches. Into the next stitch, I'm making a double crochet and a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, I'm making a half double crochet and a single crochet. And finally, to go ahead and finish our heart, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the center here. Just like that. And I'm going to chain one, cut my yarn, and just pull that directly up through the chain that I just made and pull it tight. Okay, so we can go ahead and pull this yarn tail to the back. Now you can weave this in however you prefer, but I usually like to just take these 2 yarn tails at the back here and tie them together. Okay, and you are all done with your new heart. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and let me know how your heart turned out in the comments, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video.